evening. So tonight is the Polart farewell party. Now I DJ'd at the opening ceremony. I'm now going to DJ at the closing ceremony. Apparently it's been a really great festival, lots of successes, lots of fun things happening. Unfortunately I missed a lot of it because I've been on holidays. But tonight should be a lot of fun. I'll get the girls again to describe what happened and everything and all the successes. Stay with us, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff in 2019. So I'm set up, ready to go. We're at the Hamilton Hotel tonight. First time I didn't have to bring my speakers because they've got the full nightclub set up here. So it should be pretty fun. Decorations are coming up. What's the theme, girls? Sunshine State. I thought we were the smart state.
Victoria's the educational state.
Is it?
That's right.
Back to the sunshine.
I saw the number plate, it has educational state.
Oh, do that again.
Why?
That's for the outtakes.
Alrighty.
Alright ladies, so we're back with the Majewski sisters from the welcoming video. I'll put that in the description in a second. But, so what do you want to say? It's the last party.
Yeah, it's the farewell party. Polart has come to an end.
Which is really sad, but we're really happy because it's been a lot for us to organise. But we hope that everyone enjoyed it. I hope everyone enjoyed it.
You better have enjoyed it.
We enjoyed it.
We worked so hard on it.
Yeah.
So hard.
Well, thank you to all the performers and to everyone who participated in Polart and who came and watched all of the events and everything like that. It actually turned out really good from what I hear.
From what we hear, everything has been amazing.
Yeah.
Brisbane loves you guys.
Yes.
Loves you guys in all elements.
Yes.
Yeah, and now I guess it's just time for party, and we will see you all in Sydney in 2021. Yeah, 2021.
2021, Polart, Sydney.
Yay!
I heard the closing ceremony DJ is going to be pretty good.
Oh yeah.
That's you gotta wait to be seen. I mean, let's not get too presumptuous.
Let's subscribe to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Let's subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Bit of self-promotion. Where are we from? Polart's over. Wait.
It's not on.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with some.
I don't know either. We've got like forever.
Anyway, Polart's over.
Polart's over!
Did you have a good night?
I shouldn't be happy about
Okay, how
that.
was you?
I'm so excited. I don't know. I just realized just then. I was like, no.
Polart's over.
This is not sad to me. Sorry.
Oh shit.
Hope everyone had a good night, except for the kids going home early. I had nothing to do with that. I promise.
What? Lies.
The kids going home early, that's nothing to do with me.
All lies.
It is, it's my fault.
Isabella, do you want a beach ball?
Do you want five?
Hope everyone had a good night. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hopefully I'll see you at the next Polart. Maybe they'll book me.